Muhammad, Mr. Update. He has served humanity. He has been there for everybody. And he rose from grass to grace. If he tells you how he came from Masaka, how he boarded a Matoke truck, you will not believe it. Ssegiriinya has come from very far, but we must thank God that he at least achieved what he wanted. And his humility speaks volumes. How we could learn, if we could learn something from the late Ssegiriinya, it would make a change in all of us. When you hear that within those few months that he made an impact in Kawempe, he made an impact in his community, he made an impact in this country, then you must learn something. I want to put a question. Yes. Honorable members, and you're Muslim. You are the same person who is going to blame me for delaying with the body here.
Right, Honorable Speaker, that swallow for Janais is performed as long as the body has come anytime. So it is not delayed. May I make the amendment, ma'am?
What amendment?
May I make the amendment, ma'am?
Yes.
May I make the amendment?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker. Well, Right Honorable Speaker, I sincerely appreciate your concern that when you persuaded members to contribute, we spoke in tongues outside. Well, I appreciate that.
Actually, attacking me.
Yes, I appreciate your concern, and it's regrettable. Right Honorable Speaker, Honorable Ssegiriinya has served here 4 years. The difference between him and the Right Honorable Oulanya is that he had served here for several years, and therefore his package was big as a person. And as a Right Honorable Speaker, he also had an entitlement as a fallen Speaker of Parliament. Honorable Ssegiriinya has only been here for 4 years, did not even have time to invest for his family. You can imagine the burden that the family is going to have. I've calculated, Right Honorable Speaker, if each one of us here sacrificed only 300,000 shillings, the family would collect 150 million shillings, which is good enough for them to be able to invest. I therefore would like to persuade my colleagues that we amend the motion to include that members of Parliament, each one of them, of us, contributes 300,000 shillings as a package to help the family of Honorable Ssegiriinya. I submit.
Honorable members, is that seconded? No, you sit. 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 Sit, I want secondment from this side. Seconded by Honorable Badiomusi, by Honorable Bahati, by the Imam, by Ibanda, by Bunyoro Affairs, by Honorable Uda, Honorable Balam, Honorable Gabriel, Honorable Minister Okasai, Rose, by the whole NRM side. So we are making a motion, and clerk should take note of this. Okay, I want to see those from this side also. Yes, I want to see the leader of opposition, the cow. Honorable Duru is not supporting. You better convince Honorable Duru to support, because I don't want to be taken to court. Supported by Hassan, by Honorable Chivumbi, by Honorable Asumani, by Honorable Abudu, by Honorable Seungu, by Honorable Elijah, Honorable Zake, Hildaman, Ethel, Madam Teacher, by the whole opposition. We are amending that one and all the independents. Yes.
Right Honorable Speaker, I concede to the amendment.
Thank you. Those in favor of the amendment say on the contrary nay. The ayes have it. I now put a question that that Parliament pays a glowing tribute to the late Honorable Ssegiriinya Muhammad, a former member of Parliament of Kawempe Division North, and the tribute with amendment of payment of 300,000 per deduction per member of parliament as passed in the resolution here. Those in favor say on the contrary, nay. Aye. The ayes have it.
Anthems in reverse order. May we please rise?